All right, guys, so we're back on the car, the Civic, and yeah, we have this little guy right here. So basically what had happened, he went to the junkyard, he got a fender, he got a nice bumper. It only has like one scratch, there's no any of this going on, and he has another fender. So we're gonna throw everything on. He has the brackets, and oh man, OEM freshness, nice OEM lights compared to these eBay knockoffs, which there's nothing bad, but you know, original is always best. But yeah, so these are gonna look so nice when they're you know, sanded down, clear coated with some 2K clear. You know, it's not gonna fade or nothing. And yeah, all right, so we're gonna start stripping it down and slowly building it back up. Let's work on the fenders first.
Yeah.
Or no, the bumper, I say. Fenders, and take everything off first. You know, just to get a good look at it. And then fenders, headlights, bumper. Or whichever way you want to go.
That's fine.
All right. But I think it'll be kind of cool to take it off.
Yeah.
All in one.
All in one.
All right, guys. So we're going to get started. And we'll see how this looks. But yeah, he really invested some money. And it's money well spent into this. All right, guys. So we're trying to take off the bumper. He took off all these zip ties, so it's coming off slowly. And yeah, these were busted, these tabs, so less work. So now we're gonna go on the bottom, take that off, and yeah. All right, so finally got it. Nice. It's all gonna come together. He bought these, so we're gonna swap these out. Headlights, fender, and yeah.
Looks like it did get smashed.
Oh yeah, that's right. We could probably, I think we'll probably have to take it off and hammer it, because it is kind of preventing the bumper from sitting flush all the way on. Yeah, you could see right here. See right there?
Yeah.
That is definitely gonna
Maybe I
make
should
it.
have bought it, huh? But I don't know how much that costs.
They would have probably charged an arm and a leg for it. But you have the mini sledge.
Yeah.
We could probably just take off the headlights right now and try to hammer it back. You know, and then later on buy one.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're replacing the headlights now, and looks like this one's just cracked right there, barely in there. So I'm just gonna loosen this one, pull it out. All right, guys. So you can see right here, this is tweaked. This is pushed back right there, and all this was punched right here. But fortunately, this rail, it looks very straight. So this did its job as far as that crunch zone, and it prevented that. Looks like a connector. I don't know what that's for. Maybe another bottle or something, or another dual motor or something. But yeah, so he bought these and got that headlight out. Look how far back that one is to this one.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That.
So yeah, so we're gonna pull this off now and try and hammer it back. And yeah. All right, guys, so we're getting there. Almost off. Now we just need one bolt right here in the back. Kind of tricky because you got to use this, but a wrench will take you forever. But when you use a ratchet, this is crushed in, so the back of the ratchet will probably hit this. So yeah, so we're gonna
Oh, you were able to get it out?
yeah, pound this back in, make this flush, that whole seam right there, and right there, make that flush. So yeah. All right, so finally got it off, and these look nice. They line up nicely. And at first, kind of thought that this was like kind of pulled out, but that's just the way it is. Just slides right into here, I guess, to hold it on for manufacturing, maybe.
Yeah.
It goes on and it holds I could see that because they put millions of these on, you know. So yeah, so these bolts and everything look good. It's just this piece that we're gonna hammer this back and make this fit, this flange fit flat with that. So yeah, and then replace these for the new ones he got. All right, so we're gonna. Take these off and lay this down on the ground,
Right.
flat, and then go like this around here. We'll do that right now. All right. Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, guys, so we decided we're just gonna put the hardware away and we're just not gonna run it at all. And I know it has little brackets on the side, but for now we're just gonna run the fasteners on the top, bottom, and the sides, and he's just gonna have that for now, because this thing, if you see it better, this side closest to me is going this way, and it's basically a pretzel, so it's too far tweaked. So he's just going to run it without for now, and then we're gonna take off the fenders right now, replace those, bumper, and he has headlights. Oh, and I'll show you guys the mirrors right now. All right, so it's a mirror right there. These things are way cleaner. These are gonna brighten right up right there. So we're gonna pop those on last, and those are gonna replace these because these have drill marks and everything, and they're kind of crusty, and it has like some type of glue, right?
That's what I was looking at.
Yeah. So we're gonna take off the side skirts right now, and yeah. All right, guys, so side skirt is off. We could finally get these 2 bolts, and yeah, a bunch of zip ties everywhere. And we're gonna take this fender off. This thing is mangled and clear coat is gone. So from there, we're gonna work on that side and then put the fenders back, bumper, headlights, or headlights, bumper, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we got this fender off, or he got it off, and yeah, it's looking very good. We're gonna try and clean up around here a little bit, get a rag or something, dust it, and yeah, so sweet. It's gonna come together nice. So next is gonna be taking this fender off, giving it a quick dusting, put the fenders back on, the good ones, and the skirt back on, and then from there it's downhill, because anytime you got to go down low, especially for me, sucks. Everything right here, it's just kind of like up above. There it is right there. Got everything good. Just gonna go across, and I'll probably just tell him to take this off already, since he's gonna run an intake, but go around and just take off all of this stuff right here.
See?
Oh yeah, so he also got inner fenders. This is gonna make it look so much better. Makes the car look complete, doesn't look wrecked, and it doesn't look all annoying where you can see a big gap here. So it just looks nice and like a full car. I mean, unless you're like super stanced out and you're just like living that low life, then yeah. But if your car is, you know, just nice, just keep everything there. All right, guys, so here are his fenders right here. It has a few dents, but he has all the clear coat, no rust. It's not crumpled right here. We're gonna try and pop these out, and they're a little bit messed up right here, but besides that, these are so sweet. Just gonna take a nice polishing. So we're gonna pop those on right there and compare those to these, where they're just baked completely, so he doesn't have to worry about paint or anything. So yeah, so we're gonna pop them on. We'll see how they look like. We could probably do it right now.
Yeah.
We'll get that one, and yeah, All right, guys, so it's always so satisfying just to get all this loose dust off and make things look so much more nice. You're never gonna see it, but you know that it's clean. Better, no?
Yep.
Way better. This was like black right here.
You want a water bottle?
Yeah, sure. Cool. Yeah.
I'm already feeling dehydrated too. Shit.
Like the last time I was here, I drank water at home and I was like, that's what I needed.
Yeah, I'm feeling.
It's the sun, the desert sun. LA is basically a desert, right? All right, so that looks nice and presentable. You could probably go with a little water, you know, at the car wash, but so we're gonna pop on the fender and yeah, be done with this side, and then we're gonna work on the front. All right, guys, so check this out. This is before. And after. Looks way much better. You don't see any of this, but you just know that it looks nice. All right, guys, so there it is right there. Looking pretty good. Fender is so much more nice. Gonna get these two bottom bolts, tighten everything up, but everything's gonna have to come loose because you gotta like work at the gaps and everything. And I'm gonna try and take these little dents out as much as possible, but without doing any more damage than what's already there. And yeah, way better. And it matches very nicely. This is gonna be a nice polish job. Well, clay bar, compound polish, wax, and yeah. All right, guys, so we got the fenders on. There's that one right there, and there's that one right there. Now we're working on the headlights.
Look at that. Brand new
Headlights. Crazy. Those are like 50, 60 bucks AutoZone, and people just throw them out for like, yeah, no. So nice OEM headlights. Gonna throw them on right here, and next is gonna be the bumper. All right, got this headlight on. Looking pretty good. The lines are nice and flush. Everything's good. OEM, way better than before, and it's actually solid in there.
Yeah, you can tell these are different.
Yeah, one's small, thinner, right? Use the one from this one.
From what?
The matching.
Well, this is the one that on the other head.
Yeah, so then that one right there.
Use this one?
Yeah.
I took
Oh, you took this one out of this one?
Yeah, but the one that had the one I left on. I don't know, these might look brighter. What do you think?
They just look newer. They're gonna be the same brightness, I believe.
Think so?
Yeah, but this one looks nicer, like they just replaced them.
Yeah.
It's gonna last you a lot longer. But you could just put this one for now, you know, like the original,
Yeah.
to the car, and then if you don't like them, probably swap them out. You
True.
know? Yeah. So we're gonna put the other light in, and yeah, that looks so much cleaner now. Looking down this side,
Yeah.
it's sweet. Yeah, hell yeah. All right, guys. So there it is, right there. Both headlights on. Gap's looking clean. Right here, this gap is looking good too, all the way. Just got to take off this this marking paint. Super sweet. So next up, I'm gonna take off this grill. He's gonna get a nicer one off of eBay, but for now he's gonna put this on. We're gonna put this onto his other bumper. All right, guys, so there's the bumper right there. Looks pretty effing clean. It's got a little scrape mark here and here, And besides that, just has like minor rock chips or something right here. That looks like, yeah, that'll be polished out or compounded. But man, looks so clean. Look at that.
Seen it?
Got the grill. Yeah, I got the grill already.
I got the bolts for the grill.
Yeah, okay. Actually, you know what? I think the tabs might be broken. See these?
Oh, shit.
Like that one, all of them are missing all the way across. So it's gonna be this one and the ones on the side right here.
That's fine. Well,
Yeah,
right here.
perfect. We'll
Slap it on there.
put that right there.
And I got all these extra bolts.
Yeah, that looks sweet right there. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit all around the edges and toss it on. Let's put it on right now. Let's see. I have the screwdriver right here. That's gonna look sweet as hell. Let me see this tab right here. I think that goes over like that.
No, it should stay there.
Yeah, look at that. All right, so we're gonna fasten it down, and yeah, it's gonna be good. We'll see how it looks like after. All right, guys, so that's how it looks right there. Full junkyard front end on. Besides little dents here and there, but when you see it all polished up, lowered with wheels, it's gonna look good, especially after I'm done detailing it. Paint's nice, shiny, smooth. Right here is kind of rough, but plastic has a different reaction towards the elements to metal, because metal heats up, expands, you know, retracts and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna put the inner fenders some other day, but for now it's going to be just finishing this up. He's gonna get another one of these, and possibly the hood and more fasteners to go all the way around. But yeah, so stay tuned for the next episode. It's gonna really come together once it's all cleaned up and you know, compounded and detailed. All right, guys, so this is how it looks right here with the hood down. Sweet. Way different. I could see it.
With the other hood?
Oh man, it's gonna look new. I think he should get the other hood ASAP. It looks nice. Just having this, it's gonna match real nice. All right, guys, so that's how she looks right there. If you want to see more updates, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think of the progress, and really hope you guys are enjoying this, because it's gonna be looking fresh as hell when it's all done. And yeah, so smash the like and let me know what you think.